Question: What is Canada's system of government called? A. Dictatorship. B. Parliamentary government. C. Military rule. D. Communism. The answer is B. Parliamentary government. Question: What is Canada's national winter sport? A. Lacrosse. B. Basketball. C. Hockey. D. Golf. The answer is C. Hockey. Question: How are members of parliament chosen? A. Elected by senators. B. Elected by the Prime Minister. C. Chosen by the King. D. Elected by Canadian citizen. The answer is D. Elected by Canadian citizen. Question: Who proclaimed the amended Constitution of Canada in 1982? A. The Senate. B. Queen Elizabeth II. C. The people of Canada. D. The Prime Minister. The answer is B. Queen Elizabeth II. Question: What are the provinces of Central Canada? A. Ontario and Quebec. B. Ontario and Alberta. C. Quebec and New Brunswick. D. Alberta and Saskatchewan. The answer is A. Ontario and Quebec. Question: What is the head of the city called? A. Mayor. B. Councillor. C. Alderman. D. Premier. The answer is A. Mayor. Question: Who chose Ottawa as the capital of Canada? A. Queen Elizabeth I. B. Queen Elizabeth II. C. Queen Victoria. D. Queen Anne. The answer is C. Queen Victoria. Question: What is a polling station? A. Place where you vote. B. Campaign offices for candidates. C. Place where the number of votes is counted. D. Member of Parliament's constituency. The answer is A. Place where you vote. Question: When is Canada Day? A. November 5th every year. B. July 1st every year. C. June 30th every year. D. July 31st every year. The answer is B. July 1st every year. Question: What is celebrated on the 26th of December? A. Remembrance Day. B. Victoria Day. C. Boxing Day. D. Canada Day. The answer is C. Boxing Day. Question: What are the colors present in the Canadian flag? A. Blue and white. B. Red and white. C. Green and white. D. Red and blue. The answer is B. Red and white. Question: Where is Canada located? A. Central America, B. Europe, C. North America, D. South America. The answer is C. North America. Question: What are the parties that are not in power called? A. Tea parties, B. Opposition parties, C. Rival parties, D. Opponent parties. The answer is B. Opposition parties. Question: How is a cabinet minister chosen? A. By the Prime Minister, B. By the King, C. By the voters, D. By the senators. The answer is A. By the Prime Minister. Question: One-third of all Canadians live in which province? A. Saskatchewan, B. Quebec, C. Alberta, D. Ontario. The answer is D. Ontario. Question: When was the current flag of Canada raised for the first time? A. 1921, B. 1965, C. 1949, D. 1892. The answer is B. 1965. Question: Who appoints the judges of the Supreme Court of Canada? A. The Governor General, B. The Prime Minister, C. Other judges, D. The people. The answer is A. The Governor General. Question: What does CPR stand for? A. Canadian Pacific Railway, B. Canadian People Railway, C. Canadian Public Road, D. Canadian People Resources. The answer is A. Canadian Pacific Railway. Question: Who can enter and leave the country freely without time constraints? A. Canadian citizen and landed immigrants, B. Commonwealth citizens, C. Canadian citizens, D. British citizens. The answer is C. Canadian citizens. Question: When is Remembrance Day celebrated? A. July 1st, B. October 6th, C. November 11th, D. November 20th. The answer is C. November 11th. Question: In what jobs did the Métis first work with European settlers? A. Supplies traders, guides and interpreters, B. Taking care of children, C. Building housing, D. Fishing. The answer is A. Supplies traders, guides and interpreters. Question: What do Canadians normally wear on Remembrance Day? A. A red poppy, B. A green shirt, C. A black tie, D. A white shirt. The answer is A. A red poppy. Question. What level of government passes by laws? A. Provincial. B. Municipal or local government. C. Federal. D. Senators. The answer is B. Municipal or local government. Question. Where are the parliament buildings located? A. Toronto. B. Kingston. C. London. D. Ottawa. The answer is D. Ottawa. Question. What are the Prime Minister and Cabinet Ministers together called? A. The Government. B. The Cabinet. C. The House of Commons. D. The Senate. The answer is B. The Cabinet. Question. In what year did Canada become a country? A. 1867. B. 1687. C. 1786. D. 1678. The answer is A. 1867. Question. What is the highest honor available to Canadians? A. The Queen's Medal. B. Elizabeth Cross. C. Victoria Medal. D. Victoria Cross. The answer is D. Victoria Cross. Question. Which of the following is a non-Canadian not allowed to do? A. Leave the country at will. B. Contact his or her MP. C. Take the Canada citizenship test. D. Vote in federal and provincial elections. The answer is D. Vote in federal and provincial elections. Question. What is the name of the royal anthem of Canada? A. Great Canada. B. Canada. C. God Save the Queen or King. D. O Canada. The answer is C. God Save the Queen or King. Question. What types of jobs are provided by service industries? A. Communications and retail services. B. Transportation and education. C. Tourism and government. D. All answers are correct. The answer is D. All answers are correct.